Question number 5 of worksheet 3, chapter 10. What is given? Draw a line segment AB of length 7 cm and find a point on it such that AP is to PB is equal to 1:3. Measure the AP and BB. Here, what is the ratio given here? 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 parts. Like that previous questions only, you have to draw a line segment 7 cm. This is A and B. Name this is A and B. At point A, we have to construct acute angle. Okay, acute angle. Let us construct here 60 degree. Let us construct here 60 degree. 60 degree. 60 degree means first arc is your 60 degree. Similarly, same line, same radius you have to take here. Same radius. Same radius. So we have to join. This is the 60 degree. And it is also join same parallel lines. So take any arc, 4 parts you have to draw. From here 4 parts. This is 1, 2, 3, and this is 4. Same arc, don't change the radius over here. Don't change the radius here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is the names given: A1, A2, A3 and A4. It is also B1, B2, B3, B4. You have to join first A to B4. Join A to B4 and A4 to B. So now this portion could be divided into 4 parts. That is first is 1 part. So what you will get there? A1 to B3. Make this is P. AP, this is 1 part and this is 3 parts. Measure here 7 cm. So measure what you will get here. One point. Measure AP. What you measure you got here? AP is equal to 1.8. AP is equal to 1.8. And PB, what is the PB given here? PB, it is given 5 point PB. What is given here? 5.2. PB is equal to 5.2. So this is the answer. Question number 6 of worksheet 3. Draw a line segment of a given length. Divide it into 4 equal parts. Similarly, same like this, equal parts we have to divide. Any line segment given length you have to take. And suppose I am taking here 7 cm. You can take 8 cm also, 9 cm also. This is the 7 cm. So now what you will get? Same here, acute angle you have to prepare. Make an acute angle here. Acute angle is this is 50 degree. Make it 50 degree. So what we will do here, we will join this one. Same 50 degrees acute angle, parallel lines you have to construct here 50 degree. So join here. So now what you will get here, take the same equal 4 parts you have to do it. 4 parts you have to do it. So this is 1, 4 equal parts, 2, 3, 4. Same radius also here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now join. This is make it A1, A2, A3, A4. B1, B2, B3, B4. Now join this one. This is the 4 parts. So 4 parts, how will do this one? A1 to B3, A2 to B2, or A3 to B1. This is the 4 parts. First, second, third, fourth. Make this is A, O1, O2, O3, and this one. So this is the answer. Question number 7. Draw a line segment of AB equal to 5.5 centimeter. Find a point on it such that AP is equal to 2 by 3 PP. So this one like that, you can write it down. AP is to PB is equal to 2 is to 3. So total parts 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So like that only we have to draw any line segment. What is the line segment given? 5.5. First of all, you have to draw 5.5 line segment here. This is A or B. So now what we will do, that is 5 centimeters. So you can construct here. Make this is the 50 degree, and it is also construct the 50 degree. So now what you will do here, now join here like that. Same angle, 50 the parallel angles. How much parts we have to do here? 5 parts. So take any radius from the center A. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the 5. From here also you have to construct 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? So what you will do, join this is, make this is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. Now A2, B5. Now A5 to join this one. It is 2 by 3 parts. So A1, A2, yeah, this one, and we have to join 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. So A2 to B3. So this is, make this is the T. So 2 is to 3. This is the answer. Question number 8. Draw a line segment AB is equal to 6 centimeter. Find a point Q on it such that AQ is equal to 2 by 5 QB. Same like that. Here AQ is to QB is equal to 2 is to 5. So total parts 2 plus 5 is equal to 7 parts. Clear? Same like this we will construct, what is that, 6 centimeter. Take the draw line segment of the 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. Make this is A and B. Same like that, from acute angle you have to construct less than 90 degree. Any angle you can take. Like I am taking here 70 degree. At the center A 70 degree, or also at center B 70 degree. Now join this one. Join this one. 7 parts. So what you will do here, 7 parts, you have to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is the 7. You can extend that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is the 7. So here we are extending this one, extended. We are extended. So now join this one. Make this one A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6 and A7. This is B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7. Join this one A to B7. Next A7 to B. This is 2:5. Means here A 2 parts and here 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to join A2 to B3. So this is the Q. 2:5. This is the answer.